Hi, this is my very first Misfits Market box, and I am going to do an unboxing with you so that you can see everything that we have received in this very first package. So I'm going to turn the camera around and put it on the tripod so that I can not have to hold the camera while I do this. So hang on with me just a second. So here we go. This is the box right here. It's really kind of heavy. It arrived at my front door via FedEx, and they're very good about keeping you updated on when you're going to receive your package and when it does arrive, etc. So let's just get at it here and see what we have. It's a very nice and sturdy box, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart when you pick it up, because as I did say, it's kind of heavy. There's obviously some nice stuff, let's hope, in here, at least some weighty stuff anyway. So as I open, this is very nice. It's packed very nicely, and there's a thing for keeping it cold, which is really, really nice. I'll put that over here. Also, this cushion right here that keeps everything. In fact, this is lining the entire box so that none of the contents get bruised or anything. Oh, this is lovely. Here we go. The first item that we're bringing out is this nice leek. Isn't it nice with all the leek fronds on it and whatever? So I'm looking forward to using it. Let's put this over here. Also, the next thing is we have some apples that are in here that are very nice. A mango, lovely mango. Very, very nice. Also, these lovely organic grape tomatoes are in there. And let's see what this is. This is very interesting. It's all taped shut. Oh, lovely plums. 4 really, really lovely plums in here. Smell good too. Okay. There's also a green pepper here. A nice yellow onion. A spaghetti squash. I love spaghetti squash, and this is a very nice one. Very, very nice. Also, here is a yellow summer squash, which is nice. Here is some celery. It's not a very big stalk of celery, but still it's fine. All of this produce is organic, so that's a nice thing as well. And some really nice green onions. I really like those. Some red potatoes. That's interesting. And some more red potatoes. So that is the contents of the box, which I think is kind of fun. I'm going to continue with this and see what I've signed up for. Only getting this every 2 weeks, so I won't be getting another one until 2 weeks from today. But we'll see what comes. You don't really know what's inside the box. You just pick a size, and they then fill it based on what they have a surplus of. Now, you can also go to the website and get a lot of things that you can add to your box. That, you know, they sell everything from chocolate to tea to you name it. So it's worth checking it out. Again, it's MisfitsMarket.com. I actually heard about this from watching one of my Disney channels on YouTube, and I was watching the Dis Unplugged conversation, and they were talking about what they're doing during the pandemic, and someone brought up this getting orders from this company, and I thought, I'm going to try that, and I'm really glad that I did. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, keep on believing those dreams that you wish will come true. Thank you.